Laughter is a spontaneous emotion, and thus it needs to be painted spontaneously. If you try painting a laughing portrait from a refined illustrative drawing, it's going to look fake, if not downright creepy. Hence, we want to begin very loose. Take a look here at Rembrandt's Laughing Man. One could even say it's very crude. It's very rough painted. But herein lies many clues to Rembrandt's thought process, and also his methodology of painting. The focus of this workshop is on spotting color values, that is laying a color next to another to develop a plastic, three-dimensional form. But first, you should always do a pochade. A pochade is a thumbnail sketch, about 6 by 8 inches. And here you want to work out your composition, your color, and also the planar structures of the face. And speaking of anatomy, every portrait artist worth their merits must know their anatomy down pat. And so I'm going to include in this workshop my Atlas of Facial Anatomy ebook. Included in the anatomy video is also the planes of the head. This is critical to establishing three-dimensional form. In fact, the approach I take in this workshop, like Rembrandt, is on painting with a sculptural sensibility, as if I'm actually modeling in clay. And I'm going to take you step by step through the entire process of painting Rembrandt laughing, right from the very loose striking of the arabesque and blocking in, and then into the ébauche, where we begin our value spotting with 3 flesh values, and we'll continue onwards, spotting and spotting into the final resolution.